You have a choice to make between pipe and tubing. Let's compare the two to see which is right for your application. Threaded pipe is a frequent choice for chemical plants, refineries, and equipment manufacturers to move process fluids from point A to point B. At a time when reducing labor and maintenance is critically important, the challenges of pipe are even more apparent. Pipes can corrode and leak, especially around threaded connection points. They can take dozens of man-hours to weld or assemble and disassemble and reassemble to perform maintenance of bearings, pumps, filters, and other precision components. The 90-degree angles used in a threaded pipe system create a tortuous path, which restricts flow at elbows. And pipes can increase vibration, requiring more frequent replacement of the system. These inherent challenges have led many companies to rethink their fluid system design. By using stainless steel tubing instead, the risk of corrosion is mitigated, and there's no need to paint the exterior of the tube to prevent corrosion. Additionally, 316 stainless steel provides a general upgrade over carbon steel, and internal corrosion concerns are greatly reduced. Fewer connection points are needed with tubing, which reduces potential for leaks from threaded connections or the need for welds and having a welder on site. It's lighter weight and can cost up to half as much to install versus pipe. Flow rates are increased, with the larger radius of tube bends as compared to pipe connections. Tubing configurations are easily repeatable at different locations with commonly available tools. Pre-bent tubing runs can be stocked so that any line changes only require retightening fittings on either end of the run. Making the right choice between pipe and tubing often depends on evaluating the specific needs of your application. You might ask yourself, will the system be in a remote location where it's difficult to maintain? Do I have the time or resources to devote to building and maintaining complex pipe systems? Will leaks present a quality or safety risk? If you're still uncertain about the best solution for your application, Swagelok field engineers can help. With their assistance, you can design a system that can reduce labor costs, improve flow rates, and reduce leaks. For more information on the advantages of tubing, visit swagelok.com or contact your local authorized Swagelok Sales and Service Center.